This is the BareXY I've been working on for the past couple of years. It's a FDM coreXY 3D printer. So I'm just going to go through and tell you a few of my favorite parts about it. I spent a lot of time on the belt run, a lot of coreXY DIY kits. The belts are kind of on top of the frame and they've got a lot of cantilevers. So with mine I wanted to be kind of all tucked away in the frame, all the belts nice and aligned and no cantilevers. So I have a bracket on top and bottom for all the carriages and the pulley mounts. Another thing that can be a real pain is tensioning the belts and keeping this gantry perpendicular. If you've built a coreXY before, you know what I mean with keeping that gantry perpendicular. So to solve that, just loosening these two screws, you can easily adjust, just slide this motor forward or back in the slot, and that way you can individually tension both of these belts to get this nice and tight and perpendicular. So my printer uses Open Build's mini V wheels for the motion system. I really like them. They're light, they're smooth, and they're pretty affordable when they're used correctly. So I had some trouble with other kits getting the slop out of all my carriages. So to fix that, I have easily preloadable carriages. So here on the Z you can see these screws. If you tighten them, it pushes these wheels together. You can remove all the slop very easily. Similar thing on the print carriage and similar on the Y carriage. So let's talk about core components. For the extruder, we use the Bondtech BMG dual drive extruder. Great with flexibles, really reliable. We've got the E3D V6 all metal hot end, and we've got the BL Touch for auto bed leveling. We've got a 50mm blower fan in the back with part cooling from both sides, so you can get those small details and large overhangs. On the Z here, we have integrated lead screw motors with palm nuts. I get these from Motec Motor, same supplier that E3D uses, really high quality motors. In the back here, the whole printer is running on a Do-It Wi-Fi control board. It's got really nice stepper drivers and Wi-Fi connectivity, so that's really convenient. We've got a custom enclosed power supply with an on-off switch and a fused power cord that can be removed. And then one feature you see on a lot of printers, nice printers these days, is a removable flex plate, magnetic. So you can just, you print something, you pull this off, you flex it, the prints pop off, good to go. Put it back on, it's all set. It's got PI surface, so you don't have to deal with any tape or glue. So it's just really clean, simple, effortless. So yeah, that's my printer. If you have any questions, you can email me or comment. Thanks.